Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Are you a busy person who hasn't had enough time for lunch, or are you on diet? Today, let's join me making my favorite drink, which will keep you full and healthy for a long time in a day. First, I will pour hot water into oatmeal and soak it. While I wait for oatmeal to be softened, I will peel off an avocado and put it in the blender. You can change avocado to banana, strawberry, apple, or any kind of fruits that you like. Add milk in. Here I'm using unsweetened almond milk to give the drink a better taste. I will add in raisins and dried cranberries. You can also add nuts in and yogurt. Cover the blender, then turn it on. And oatmeal is already softened. Add in and turn on the blender again until everything is blended. Pour the drink into a glass and start drinking it now. Or you can add more milk in if you don't want it to be thickened. I like when it's thick. I always keep this drink in the fridge so I can bring it out with me when I want to drink them. Also, when I have to pay attention to something for a long time and I don't want to be interrupted, I always keep a bottle of this drink on the table so I can drink them right away. If you get bored of the taste, you can add in your favorite yogurt, honey, or any juice that you want because it works well too. If you try this recipe and you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel so you will get notifications when I upload a new video on. Please share a photo with me on my Instagram with the link in the description box. Thank you so much. Bye!